What up, guys? Welcome to another episode for the Making Beats for Fun series. This is just a quick review of a website for beat making production. It's called modernproducers.com. They've got a promotion at the moment, Easter promotion or spring sale. This is the Easter bundle, 30 kits for $30, or if you're in the UK, it will be about £21.7. Recently purchased this product. I'm not affiliated with the website, just for any aspiring producers out there, just if you need a helping idea. There are lots of drum loops, individual hits, MIDI loops, and yeah, let's begin. So this is the website, modernproducers.com. The spring sale is an extra 30% off. Another 2 days to go. So today's the 13th, Friday the 13th, April. And this is the kit, it's the bundle, and there's literally 30 kits in the whole bundle, ranging from trap music to hip hop. So I'm going to bring up my Native Instruments machine. And these are the kits, starting in kind of alphabetical order: Art of War, Audio Therapy, City Lights, goes all the way down to a kit called Wrath of Trap Gods. I'm not going to be going through all of them, but one or two that I did like. One is called, I think, Instant Drummer. We have drum loops ranging from 60, 70 BPM all the way up to 110. And yeah, let's go through some of them. So it's a 84 BPM drum loop. Most of them will show you the BPM range as well. So this is just to help you with your production. You don't necessarily need to use those loops. You can bring it up in Native Instruments or Fruity Loops, and you can chop them up. So I've done a little quick beat with one of the drum loops on the sample. So it was one of the drum samples called Hold Me, 90 BPM. And there was a sample in there as well from one of the kits. So I've just put it into Native Instruments. I sampled it and just chopped it up to get something like this. So together the drum loop, so 90 BPM, 4-bar loop from 1 to 5. Bass sound from the Contact VST within Native Instruments machine, and I've added a synth sound as well from another VST within Native Instruments called Absinthe. This is all part of the Complete 10. Yeah, so moving on, this is just one of the kits where there's the drum loops. There's a kit called Run Off the Plug Twice drum kit as well, and inside there's samples of 808. And you can literally just create a new group drag the sound across to the Native Instruments machine, bring up your keyboard, change the polyphony to 1, and you can play the individual sounds on the keypad, on the Machine Instruments pads. They've got claps, they got hi-hats, there's kicks. These are pretty cool. Melodic voice.
Myself, only pain. Poke it up, put her hands on me, put it in the air. Rewind, yeah. Shake it, she now, see now. She put her hands on me. Sorry, so start thinking those, throwing a cash on her.
There's sound effects as well. So definitely a lot of ideas to take away from these. They've got a whole bunch of samples to be chopped up for hip hop. So yeah, like I said, this is just a quick beat that they're using the samples from the kits. It's called modernproducers.com. 30 kits, $30, and there's extra 30% off as well for another 2 days. Grab some great samples, and yeah, it will help you with your production. I'll upload a couple of beats soon. I'll be doing 4-bar loops that we can make into full tracks, but for now, have a look. Modern Producers, there's another website called Producer's Choice, and it will definitely help you in your production. Till next time.